Here's my Dewalt XR brushless orbital sander. 8-hole pattern. Velcro discs go on and off. I like it that you can use different companies for sanding disc. You don't get stuck with buying one company. You can have a 600 from these guys, 400 from these guys, 120 from these guys. Take them, line them up. Nice strong Velcro stick that's not going to fall off. Variable speed, set it from 7. Different reasons you want different speeds. Same reason you want different grips, depending on what you're doing. I got a 2 amp battery here, nice and small, a little lighter on my hand, easier for balance. You take that off. Throw a 5 amp on there if you want. A little heavier. Still not falling over. Still got good balance. Collects the dust as you go. Still might want to wear a mask. And like I said, sits there. Totally fine.